bustling hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating pages online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of packages is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and facilities, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Room category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Yes, you require present photo ID and check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. And the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. And offers are available online along with various treatments and saving policies. The booking you can also through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.